Hello everyone, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku in today's newspaper on, yes, it's Friday, July the 10th, 2020. So this one, the Sudoku Heavy, let me focus, yes, alright. A regular Sudoku Heavy, and before I start I always count how many printed numbers in this puzzle. So let me count. We have here 2 plus 4 is 6 is 8 plus 3 is 11 plus 2 is 13, 16 plus 5 is 16, 21, 22 plus 3 is 25. And if you compare with the Sudoku Heavy with the extra Sudokus in the additional, there we have 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and 4 stars. And the first Sudoku, the Sudoku with 1 star has 27. The Sudoku with 2 stars, 26. So this one, 25, you can compare with the Sudoku with 3 stars. Alright, so let's get started. We have here a 5 in this column, a 5 in the column next, the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 5 should be there. In the second column, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 8. We have the 8 and the 6 in this big square, so no 8 and the 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. We have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1. No 1 there, 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. Then let me see. Yes. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 1 of the missing numbers in 8. We see here an 8, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So in this column, we have an 8 in 1 of those 2 boxes. In the last column, we have an 8 over there. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But we see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see here 4, so no 4 there. Here 4, so no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then 7, 8. Let me think. Yeah. Can I do something with the 2? No, the 2 I cannot do something to 2. 3. The 3 in this column, the 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then yes, these 4 missing numbers in the first row, 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 and a 3 here in this big square, so no 2 and a 3 in these 2 boxes, so the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. 2, 3, 2, 3. Alright, that means the other 2 numbers are the numbers 6 and 7. Let me mark them out also for you. It's easier to follow. 6 and 7. That means these 2 boxes left in this big square are the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. Those are pairs. Pairs. How about the number? The 1 in the last row, the 1 in the row above, so in that row, the only place for the 1 should be there. And now I have a 1 here, so I can eliminate this box with the 1. So here cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 9 and this should be the 1. 9, 6. Alright. Then and then we have here 3 numbers left in this row. The 4 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 5 is missing. Alright, 5 should be here. The 5, yes, 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 3 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7, 9, and 2. Yeah, 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. Here 2 also, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 7 and the 9. Let me mark them for you. It's easier to follow. 7 and the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 8 should be here. Alright. The 2 should be there. We have a 3 here. The 5 there. Same like here. 9, 9. 8, 8. 8, 8, yes. I need pairs to eliminate some numbers. How about in this big square? 4 missing numbers now. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. There are 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the middle column. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Or there we see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. How about these 2 numbers? 9, 7, and 3. Here we have also a 3. Here a 3. Alright. So in this column, the middle column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, so no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Now I have a 3 here, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. I remember we have also here the 8. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 8 here or there. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8. Alright. 9, 7 in the last row. 9, 7. Last row, we have a 7 now, so no 7 here. 7 should be there, and the 9 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 9. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 3 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Here we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 3 here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 5, 2. Yes. 3 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. We see here 2 and a 4, so no 2 and a 4 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 5. Here we have the 2 and the 4. Let me mark them for you. 2 and a 4. That means 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, 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 yes. 2, 4, 7. How about these 2 numbers in this column for the numbers 1 and 9, 1 and 9, 1 and 9, yeah, 1 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 1 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 3 places for the 9, here, here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there, and all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 1 number left in this row, the third row for the number 2. Then let me see. 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. 1 and the 7. How about these 2 numbers? The 8 and the 1 are missing. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8, here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there, and all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 7 in this row. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 2. Then One number left in this column for the number 7. One number left in this big square for the number 4. 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row are both. The only 2 places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 2 numbers left, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I love this. Yes, 60 minutes. I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, you can also subscribe only if you like or if you want, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you next time. Bye bye for now.